I can eat. I'm like a 4-course meal type person. I need drink, appetizer, entree, and maybe a drink after. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. Your girl don't have a bag, but if I did, I will pull up like this. Let them know that don't play with you, okay? Don't play with you because you coming through with the looks. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. And if you have not already, girl, make sure that you subscribe and drop some comments. And if you do enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure that you share it with your family and friends or your homegirl, you know, because she may need this video too. So yeah, you guys, let's just go ahead and get into the look. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Chelsie Jayy here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. Today we're gonna be doing like a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. You know, I'm not getting dressed up or whatever for nobody, but so I just want to make sure I have my girls covered just in case you had a special date and you just want to get glam, or if you just getting cute to go out with your girls. That's what we're gonna do today. I was actually sent this cute little mirror from Colourpop. How cute is that? Cute. Y'all see my little setup? It's giving ghetto. You guys know, before I start, I always like to make sure that my face is clean. I've already washed my face before coming on camera, but I'm also going to go in with this Pixie Glow tonic. So I'm using the vitamin C tonic from Pixie girl, hey girl, hey. I'm just going to go ahead and use my exfoliating. As you can see, it has like the little, you can see it has texture on there. I'm just going to use this to get my face a little bit cleaner. You can never have your face too clean before makeup. I feel like before you get started with your Valentine's Day makeup look, you need to make sure that your face is clean, ready to go for your makeup so that it can sit on your face just like really, really nice. This brow wax, girl, if you have not tried it, definitely give it a try. I highly recommend it. I'm not sure how much it is because this was sent to me in PR, so I'm not sure how much it is, but I definitely recommend it if you're looking for something to get your brows together. But if you already have like a brow routine and you want to still do the feathered brow look, you can always do just a simple eyelash glue, the Duo eyelash glue, and you can use that on your brows and it'll still do the same thing. I got my nails done too. I got them done like a few days ago. I went with black because it's February and it's like we're going out of the winter months, so we're gonna be going into spring. So I'm gonna be doing white, pink, you know, yellow, maybe, because I'm a white, black, neutral type of girl. Let me go ahead and do my brows, sis, and then I'll be right back, and then we can get started with the look. So we're back with the brows. I'm not going to do anything else to my brows right now other than I'm going to apply just a little bit of concealer to my brows. I was also thinking too, I want to do like a soft pink lip. I think that'll be really cute for the girls that want to do like, you know, it just depends on where we go with the eyes, honestly. I'm saying that now because, you know, I live for a nice soft glam neutral look, okay? Soft glam is the thing. This mirror is so cute and it came today, like right on time. Today is Friday, by the way, so I'm planning on giving you guys a vlog. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it because it gives you just a little insight on me. My last vlog was trash, okay? But you know, we all have to start somewhere. So that's where we started, and this vlog should be a little bit better than the last one. But yeah, girl, you should get a vlog on Sunday, but this video should go up either tomorrow or Saturday, so you'll get 3 videos this week. Yay me. I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. So yeah, we're just gonna rock and roll with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You girls know, like, this is it is really, really good, and I highly recommend it. And y'all, guess what? You know, in the last video I talked to you guys about trying to find a wig and stuff like that. So your girl got a wig in the mail, okay? But I wasn't expecting that, and I feel like that's when your your best surprises come in, when you're not expecting them. And that's what just happened, and I was like, girl, like, y'all know I was just asking for a wig, and here she is. I think I'm gonna go black. I've been liking the black look, girl. Ignore this, okay? I just put some contour like sticks on my lace, so ignore that. But I've been feeling the black hair on me lately, So if you're thinking about what hair look you should go for your date on Sunday, girl, just do black. Black just gets it together, okay? Black comes in like, okay, I'm sexy, I'm classy, and I just like the way black looks. So let's move on to the face. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade 350. I'm gonna have to mix this one because it is a little bit too bright. I'm actually gonna go makeup shopping very soon because it's like I need makeup products. Like I need some more foundations. I need some more of everything at this point. And I want to try some new stuff out. If you wonder what I'm looking at my mirror right here, girl. I'm going to be mixing it with my Maybelline foundation. I don't know what shade this foundation is, but I know it's way too dark. I'm just taking that onto my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my E6 brush. This is by Morphe. It is a little bit dirty, girl, but I'm just going to take this onto the skin and blend out my foundation. It's not my exact skin tone, but that's fine. You know, I don't mind that. So I'm just blending everything out. But yeah, let me know your plans down below. If you are in Atlanta, what do you plan on doing while you're down here, or if you're coming down here on Sunday? What are your plans, girl? Spill some tea because I would love to live through y'all. But yeah, so I'm just blending everything out. Look, my lace is looking crazy, okay? Every time I put on my foundation, it looks crazy. But even if you're not doing anything and you're just getting cute and you're just hanging out with your girls, you know, make yourself feel good regardless of, you know, what you have going on. If you feel like looking cute, then you get cute, period. So next for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever. This is the Matte Velvet Skin. I'm loving this lately. Like, surprisingly, I actually do like it. Next, I'm going in with I think this is called Bowing. This is their Cakeless Concealer by Benefit. Wish I could do a red lip for you guys, but girl, red lips do not look good on me. It's like my lips are already big, so it's like if I do a red lip, oh no ma'am, no ma'am. So I'm just taking the concealer and down the middle of my nose. Yeah, I'm gonna let my concealer dry down for a bit. We're probably gonna let it dry down for about I don't know, maybe about 3 or so minutes, just so that we can get a full coverage makeup look, because that's what I love. I say this in every single video because, girl, we are full coverage over here. I know y'all probably be like, Chelsea, you need to vlog. I be so nervous, though, to vlog, y'all. I'm trying. That's why this vlog that y'all are probably going to see is generally going to be in the house because, number one, I don't do much. I don't go out like that. If I do go out, it's to eat. She loves to eat, okay? One thing about me, if you don't know, you should know. Eat. Like, I'm like a four-course meal type person. I need drink, appetizer, entree, dessert, and maybe a drink after. Girl, yeah, so I can eat, you know. And if you can relate, comment below, because I know I'm not the only person that can really eat. Some people, they be trying to act all shy. Like, when you go on your day Saturday, I mean, you know, act a little shy, girl. Not act shy, but, you know, hold back just a little bit. But if you want lobster mac and cheese, baby, get lobster mac and cheese, period. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. little camouflage. I think this is called the camouflage blender. I'm using this, and I'm going to blend out everything under my eye. So I am going to leave the little strip in between my nose. Go ahead and start to contour. I'm going to take my walnut foundation stick. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is one of my favorite contour sticks because I like more of a orangey base, if that makes sense. And this is giving more like neutral brown, but it's cool. I'm going to take that and blend it up into the brow. You guys know I love for a good brow to nose contour lately. I'm looking crazy, but I'm just gonna blend that up into the brow and down the nose. Okay, so next I'm gonna move into the Huda Beauty banana bread pressed powder. Go in with my beauty supply store powder puff, and I'm just going to first off get the creasing. You want to make sure that you're not setting creasing. That's like a big no. And my nose contours are a little bit harsh today. But I'm going to make sure I blend around my nose contour because I did go in a little bit too much on the nose. Sometimes that happens, girl. Sometimes I get into doing my makeup and I'm just like so excited. Now I'm just blending, patting everything in. And I feel like this is a big key into like flawless makeup is the powder puff. If you have not tried a powder puff yet, girl, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and get a powder puff. It costs like $2 from the hair store, from the beauty supply store, and it will get you together. We're gonna move into Black Radiance True Complexion. This is pretty much the same products that I've always been using. It's using my Ruby Kisses brush. I hope they never change the formula for this bronzer because it's fire. You are me and you wanted to try out a new bronzer, would you get the Charlotte Tilbury or I think the Marc Jacobs bronzer? I'm also going to add a little bit of blush. Let me show you this blush, girl. It's so cute. I got a little makeup on it, but it's so cute. This is the Colourpop My Type blush. It is so pretty. It's like it's a pink, okay? This is like pink. Ooh. That's what we're not doing. We're not putting all of that blush. Girl. Okay, it's not bad though. So I'm going to move into my eyes really quickly because like I said, we're doing a soft glam look, so we're of course not going heavy on the eyes. Now, next I'm going to move into my Morphe E27 brush, and I'm just going to use my bronzer as the starter for the lid because you guys know I like to use that to connect from my nose to my eyes, if that makes sense. But I'm just going to blend it up into the brow because that just looks so much better to me. That's just a look that I've been loving on myself lately, but who knows, I could switch it up and I could change up because you know, girl, with makeup it just you never stop like trying new things. They sent me a Colourpop palette. This is the Swag press palette, and I think I'm going to take the color on the end. Well, I'm going to take this shade here. Then I'm also going to mix a little bit of Cam Noodle. And I think I may go in with a little bit of QT from the 143 press palette. The first thing I'm going to go in with is a little bit of MAC. Be careful with these kind of shadows because they will have a little bit of fallout. And you don't want to go too harsh, of course. So I'm just taking this brush and I'm working it into the crease. Yes, I'm just blending that into the crease. The brush that I'm using to blend this is a Anastasia A25 brush. Just taking that and blending it out. And I like leaving this space open. I don't like to put any shadow right there because you just don't want to do that. So I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. So I like how it's looking. We built it up just a little bit, and I did take just a little bit of the Huda Beauty powder just to clean up the lid a little bit. Looks, I'm taking QT from that other palette. Oh girl, I don't know though, she could do a little something. I'm taking my finger just because I'm afraid of how she's gonna look on her if I do a brush. So I'm just taking my finger. Okay, it's going with the blush though. Hopefully it's not too much for y'all. We don't do color like that over here, okay? But this is kind of cute. But I think I'm gonna do nude on the lips, being that we went full on pink on the eyes. But I'm not mad at it. You know how sometimes you do your makeup and you're like, girl, I don't like that, but this is not bad. I'm taking just a little, this is the Anastasia A14 brush, and I'm just taking that into the inner corner, and I'm blending it just a little bit upward, just so that we can have a nice flow going. But as you can see, like, yeah, we're gonna have a nice flow going. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's giving, y'all. It's giving. It's real cute. I think the blush really made it pop. Okay, girl. So this is the look. It's giving what it needs to give. She did what she had to do. This is cute. I haven't done color in a minute, in a very long time. So this is making me reminisce, you know, back in the day when your girl really did color like every time. I used to do color even just to go, you know, for dinner or something like that. So now I'm just taking just a Real Techniques brush and just dusting away the excess powder around my face. So yeah, we added lashes, and then we also added just a little bit of eyeliner to the bottom. This might as well be like a Colourpop dedicated makeup video, because at this point everything I'm using is Colourpop. So I'm taking my BFF3 lip liner. If you haven't tried this, girl, get this liner today, because it's really, really fire. Well, in store, if you go to Ulta, they're always out of stock. But I'm just gonna take this and line my lips. And I'm also going on top with Fortune Cookie. This is by NYX. Do y'all say NYX or do y'all say NYX? I think I'm gonna go more pink on the lip. I'm going in, I went in a little bit with a Nana Cocoa. This is from the hair store, but it's a like a really, really hot pink. And I feel like this goes with the look a lot. And yeah, so to finish out the look, this is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna use this to set my face, and then that'll be it for the look. If you do try this look out, definitely tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see what you came up with. That finishes up the look. Hopefully you enjoyed this Valentine's Day get ready with me. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I think this look was really simple, easy for beginners. If you are a beginner, girl, I got you. Hopefully you were able to follow along. So yeah, you guys, if you did enjoy this makeup tutorial, definitely give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you enjoy the content that you saw today, and you decide to subscribe and join the family. Also, don't forget to meet me in the comment section so I can chit chat with you guys. I love you all so much, as usual, and I can't wait to see you in my next one.